My name's Scott Rush, MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina, and I'm going to do a video walkthrough of our Yamaha. It's a 2023 and it's a 252 SE. This boat has a huge bow, 25 foot. It's got the double bow filler cushions. It comes with the snap-in SeaDeck flooring. We got the 12-inch screen. It's got some nice stuff on the cockpit. You got dual throttle, 1.8 liter, dual motors. Phone holder, joystick control. It's got the awesome storage area. Comes with the nice table. Co-captain's chairs, very comfortable. The big playpen seating with the slide adjustable lounge seating in the back. So if you're in the inside of the boat or the outside, the big coverage on the bimini with the fold down wakeboard tower. Just a fun boat, all around great boat for water sports, cruising. A lot of great amenities on this boat. Little pop-out table right there. Come and check out this boat, Yamaha 252 SE. It's a 2023. We have this and many more Yamahas at our store here in Greenville, so come and check them all out. This will be on our website at MarineMaxGreenville.com. You can give us a call, 864-236-9005, or you can come and see the boat in person. Thank you.